Hey YouTube, in this video I'll be showing you how to solve the 3x3 Rubik's Cube using the steps that I've given you on getting the top cross and all of that stuff. So it's not going to be a speed solve, so it's not going to be very fast, but alright, here we go. So, there's our top cross. Let's take it down, down. There's our bottom. There's our bottom two rows on our bottom. And there's my top L. There's my fish, but I don't have one there, so I have to do it until I get one. Now I have it. My fish with a yellow there. And that's all my top face. And also one of these, so I use this move. Oops. And that did the corner pairings and this side. So then we go on to the last move, which paired these two up to be solved, and my cube will be solved. Oh shit. Fucking cube. Fuck me. There you go. Sorry about that, but that was using all the steps that I taught you.